Since 2017, Real Talk Philosophy has hosted more than 150 community events exploring divisive contemporary issues in multiple cities, and now we're bringing these events to you. Issues like toxic masculinity, white privilege, veganism, abortion, psychedelics, the existence of God, artificial intelligence, trans rights, pornography, antinatalism, and many, many more. Each event is centered around small group discussions, in person or online, with people from all over the world from varying political, racial, and economic backgrounds. And these discussions are contextualized with lectures. Now, these are not soapbox lectures telling you what you're supposed to believe. No, these lectures unpack the nuance of the conversation from all sides, leaving the final decision up to you. We bring in guest expert panelists to speak and for Q&A. We create games offering a fun, soft, social introduction to each topic. We pay artists to produce work highlighting the dilemma presented by each issue, and we host competitions for guests to create their own artwork too. We commission performers at each event: poets, spirit dancers, drag performers, shibari artists, and musicians to write songs reflecting the emotional complexity and conflict of each issue. These events are about making friends. They're about learning, about cultural exchange, and about combating the toxic polarization our world is currently plagued by. You can find our events on Facebook or at realtalkphilosophy.org. And if there isn't an event in your area, join us online or send us a message and we'll help you start your own. All the links are in the description. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing your voice soon.